Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best dragon cake mold is probably one of the most enchanting and whimsical baking tools you can add to your kitchen arsenal, allowing you to transform ordinary cakes into mythical masterpieces that will undoubtedly impress your friends and family at any celebration or themed party. Imagine the awe on everyone's faces as you unveil a stunning, three-dimensional dragon cake, intricately detailed and ready to be devoured, making your baking endeavors not just a culinary feat but a truly magical experience that sparks joy and wonder. This mold isn't just about baking. It's about creating unforgettable moments and bringing fantasy to life, one delicious slice at a time. Number 5. Dragon Silicone Baking Molds, 2-pack. Introducing our adorable Dragon Silicone molds, perfect for adding a touch of magic to your creations. Get ready to bake like never before. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic silicone, these molds are built to last. They're reusable, easy to clean, and safe for use in ovens, dishwashers, and freezers. Each set includes 2 charming dragon molds. Use them to craft unique fondant, candies, chocolates, and more. Let your imagination soar. These molds are conveniently sized for all your DIY baking projects. They're lightweight and easy to handle, ensuring a delightful experience every time. From chocolates and cakes to soaps and candles, these molds do it all. They're ideal for a wide range of baking and crafting needs. Make any occasion special with these delightful molds. Perfect for birthdays, weddings, holidays, and family baking sessions. Create lasting memories together. What we like. This set comes with 2 adorable dragon molds, perfect for creating a variety of treats. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to add a touch of fantasy to your baking for kids' parties or family gatherings, these are a great choice. Their safe and easy-to-use nature makes them ideal for beginners and fun for all ages. What people say. The mold worked out perfectly. Detail was very good being used as a pottery transfer. It worked well, and if you have well-conditioned clay, the details came out very clearly. Number 4. FUNSHOWCASE Fire Dragon Asleep Epoxy Resin Silicone Mold. Discover the FUNSHOWCASE Fire Dragon Asleep Mold, perfect for creating stunning resin art. Its detailed design brings mythical creatures to life. From dragon figurines and home decor to unique jewelry and cake toppers, this mold offers endless possibilities for your craft projects. Use it for both food crafts like fondant and chocolate, and non-food crafts such as resin, clay, and concrete. It's food grade and versatile. This durable, reusable silicone mold is transparent for easy monitoring and features a gloss finish. It's flexible, easy to clean, and demolds effortlessly. Elevate your celebrations with decorations made using this mold. It's ideal for birthdays, weddings, parties, and more. This mold is safe to use in a wide temperature range, from -40 to 220 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for ovens, dishwashers, and refrigerators. What we like. This mold offers a highly detailed and unique 3D dragon design, perfect for creating stunning figurines. If you are a resin artist or a dragon enthusiast looking to make impressive home decor, jewelry, or even a show-stopping cake topper, this is the mold for you. Its transparency allows for precise crafting, and the glossy finish ensures a professional look. What people say. It has a lot of detail to it and is really cute. The mold has withstood several uses and remains strong and in good condition. Beautiful mold and easy to paint and pop out. Number 3. Dragon Fondant Molds, 3-pack. Get ready to craft with our 3-pack of silicone dragon molds. These molds are made from 100% food-grade, BPA-free silicone, perfect for creating realistic designs. These molds are incredibly versatile, handling temperatures from -40°F to 446°F. They are oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher safe, making them perfect for all your baking and crafting needs. Add a touch of magic to birthdays, holidays, and parties with these stunningly detailed dragon molds. They are ideal for cakes, chocolates, cupcakes, and even clay crafts. Our non-stick silicone molds make releasing your creations a breeze. Simply pop them out with a gentle press, and cleanup is just as easy. These molds aren't just for baking. Use them with polymer clay, resin, or gypsum to bring your creative crafting projects to life. Each mold features intricate dragon-themed details, like realistic eyes, claws, and skin textures. Elevate your cake decorating and craft projects with these unique designs. What we like. With 3 distinct dragon-themed molds, eyes, claws, and skin, this set allows for incredibly realistic and professional-looking creations. If you love to go the extra mile with detailed cake decorations or themed crafts for holidays like Christmas or Halloween, this is your go-to. It's perfect for adding that extra layer of complexity and visual appeal to your baked goods and DIY projects. What people say. This mold worked so well. I actually used it for 2 projects on the same day. One to make a blanket for a Viking baby-themed cake. The texture worked so well for this. The other was for a dinosaur fossil-themed cake. The texture was fantastic for creating scales eyes. I felt like the mold was very easy to use. The quality was great with adequate thickness and I didn't have to really press too hard to get the detail I needed. Love the detail. Number 2. Magical Rainbow Dragon 3D Epoxy Resin Silicone Mold. This mold is crafted from high-quality, non-toxic silicone. It's durable, soft, flexible, and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting use. Achieve vivid and professional-looking results with its fine design and clear texture. It captures intricate details for stunning creations. Thanks to its non-stick surface, your creations pop out easily. Simply pour, let it set, and demold for a perfect finish every time. This is an ideal tool for a wide range of DIY projects. Create unique epoxy resin crafts, handmade soaps, and more with ease. It also serves as a perfect gift for special occasions. Surprise your loved ones with handmade creations for birthdays, Christmas, or Valentine's Day. We are committed to your crafting experience. This mold is a versatile and valued addition to your DIY projects, backed by reliable customer support. What we like. This mold is crafted from high-quality, tear-resistant silicone, offering excellent transparency to monitor your creations. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-use mold that consistently produces crystal-clear and detailed results for epoxy resin crafts, soaps, or even professional-looking desserts, this is an excellent option. Its ease of use and reusable nature make it a valuable addition to any crafter's toolkit. What people say. Mold is super soft and flexible. Very well made. Resin popped right out with no sticking, made a beautiful piece. My dragon came out of the mold easily. It came out so shiny, I didn't expect this. Number 1. Skull Dragon Chocolate Mold. Introducing the Skull Dragon Mold, perfect for creating stunning chocolates, candies, and more. Its unique design adds a touch of fantasy to any treat. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this mold is flexible and durable. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring it won't crack or deform, even after freezing. Feel confident using it in your oven, microwave, freezer, or dishwasher. It's safe for temperatures ranging from -104 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 to 230 degrees Celsius. From family parties and birthdays to weddings and Halloween, this mold is ideal for making delightful surprises. It's perfect for mousse, ice, cakes, desserts, and even soaps and candles. Elevate your baking with this easy-to-use mold. Its compact size makes it convenient for various projects, ensuring your creations are both delicious and visually impressive. What we like. This mold is built for durability, ensuring it won't crack or deform even after long freezing periods. If you need a reliable mold for a wide range of temperatures, from freezing to baking, and want to create chocolates, candies, or even soaps with a consistent shape, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for family parties and celebrations where you want to make a memorable surprise. What people say. Oh my gosh, the detail that this thing has is amazing. The mold itself is amazing, durable, just easy to clean up. Fills perfectly even into the delicate corners and unmolds easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.